Hey guys, Kevin here, and this is Purereviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you find this particular video helpful or useful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe leave a comment saying thanks. It really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and there is a link in the description where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely stuff. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is a stool that is designed for your toilet. So this is what it looks like. When it arrives, it just comes in a plain box. And what's great about this stool is it is designed to basically elevate your legs and your body into a squat position. Well, why do you want to be in a squat position when you are on the toilet? Well, toilets are designed with you sitting at a 90-degree angle, which just puts a kink in your system. So if you have struggling going to the bathroom, this may actually help you because it puts your body into more of like a 30-degree angle, which is a more squat. And there's several cultures around the world that you squat to go to the bathroom. And the reason that is it's a lot easier on your system. So that's what this is designed for. But you're still using the toilet, so that way you're not engaging your abs. So obviously if you've done squats, they can be a little bit harder to do, and if you don't have those ab muscles. So this makes it a lot easier. But what this is made out of, it is made out of a water-resistant wood. It has this kind of laminated wood look to it. And one of the nice things about it is it's also collapsible. So there's these two buttons here on the side. You just press those in, and then it folds nice and compact. So you can put this either behind your toilet, or if you're traveling, you can throw this in the car or in a suitcase and bring it with you wherever you are going. If you don't want to keep it folded, that's fine. It will tuck nice and neat underneath the toilet, real easy. As you just open it, you just pull over and you'll hear the legs snap in place and makes it all nice and secure. It also has these rubber feet here along the bottom, which keeps it from sliding around and makes it more stable. So that way, when you are putting your feet on here, it's not going to slide away, which is really, really important since you're sitting on tile. But overall, that's kind of like the basic ins and outs of this. If you are in the market for a toilet seat to maybe help you go a little bit easier when you're in the bathroom, I think this is totally worth checking out. I really like the fact that it folds and it makes it travel ability, or just makes it easy for storage. If there's something that I didn't cover that you're kind of curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond. And that is it until the next video. You guys, take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.